So we're working on the $40 Phazer today. We actually have the carbs off. We actually got it running. We got spark turning over good. Got it running. It was just
some gas down the where you put it, like primer line.
Yeah. So we put some fuel down the carbs last night. Got it running, and then it was just pissing gas out the overflow portion of the carbs. So I'm like, well, something inside's sticking. So we took them apart. Got them getting clean right now. And we're actually draining the gas tank, and here's the kind of gas that's coming out of it. Looks kind of like apple cider you'd see at holiday time, you know?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. Looks really good. I would drink this if I hadn't, you know, if I didn't know any better, I'd definitely drink it as apple juice for sure. We're going to drain this all out because if we're going to clean these carbs, I don't want this gas going back in there. Kind of looks like my piss in the morning after I drink about a 30 rack of beer.
Oh, look at that.
Oh. Disgusting, guys, disgusting. But other than that, we tightened the motor mount so the motor's not so loose. It does run. It was just leaking a lot of gas. We found a original owner's manual in the back compartment of the seat, a spare belt, a spare recoil rope for putting it on the clutch in case your recoil breaks. You can turn it over. So for $40, this thing is looking awesome. So we're gonna get these carbs back together, and we'll see. We'll give you an update when we get that all back together and see if we can get this thing running good. So we got most of the gas out of it. This is the color. I can't even really see
it's
through it.
actually orange Kool-Aid.
Yeah, they decided to not put gas and then just put orange Kool-Aid in there instead. But I'm happy to get that out of there because I know it wasn't going to run very good on that shit.
I mean, it smells just like it's been sitting since they...
It's like a freshly aged beer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's good. We'll get the carbs put back in. We'll get them all put back together. We've got most of all the orifices on the carbs clean. We'll throw them back in. We'll see if this thing's going to run.
And then we're going to throw this bad gas back in.
We're going to throw the bad gas right back in it. Because why not?
Now we'll put it in the rally cars.
Yeah, I'll put it on an EFI motor so it really gums her up. Yeah. But mint, guys. Very mint. Well, it's the next day. Next morning, we're going to try to cold start this Phazer. We actually ripped it last night. It's super foggy out today. And we took it for a rip last night. It actually ran good.
Good power.
Good power, good throttle response after cleaning the carbs. We had no fuel leaking out of the overflows anymore.
Rode very smooth.
We got the fresh premium gas in it. The tack worked, the speedo worked, the headlights high and low.
Brake light.
Yep. So I mean, for $40, this thing has been mint. Steering was excellent.
The only thing it really needs is probably new carbides.
Yeah, new carbides maybe would be great. That's about it. But we're gonna go ahead and attempt to cold start here and see if she'll start up. We're gonna choke it, see if this bad boy will start. We're still dialing in the tuning on the low speed, kind of idling weird, but maybe it has a seal out or something. 2 pulls, baby. 2 pulls. Heck yeah. Runs mint. Oh yeah. It's idling a little high, but I'm not going to worry about it too much right now. I don't know if it's running lean. I'm going to try to check the PTO seal and see if it's out. Just spray some brake clean around it, see if it revs up. It's definitely possible it could have a seal out. Who knows? This thing probably sat for 10 years. 2 pulls, baby. Smoking good. It's definitely. We put fresh. I put a little bit of Amsoil interceptor in it. And it's been running pretty good, so. It was seized up a few days ago. There we go. Alright, I'm going to do some tuning on it, guys, and we're going to go back with another video. We'll get some riding footage of it. The $40 Phazer out, ripping it with my Skidoo. It's actually running pretty good. It's got like no snow to ride it in, but screw it. As you can see, he's just creaming it. It's running fairly good except for, you know, all the mud here. My liquid cooled Skidoo does not like the no snow factor. But the Phazer's running good. It started 2 poles you guys seen before. just sent that thing. Crazy amounts. And it's so foggy out, guys. You can barely see him back there. Just see the little bit of his headlight. That's crazy. This thing should not be this nice for 40 bucks. What do you think, bud?
Can I hop out in the back?
Oh yeah, I'll hop in the back. Sure, dude. Alright, boys. Dash cam footage. Oh, Jesus. This thing has a lot of suck back. Oh yeah. Mud right here. It's just like no open area, no snow. It's got some instant throttle.
It's such smooth power.
Yep. For the fan, so we don't have to worry about it overheating.
Drop the deep power on this.
Pretty solid.
$7,000,
Yeah,
baby.
from C's to $7 grand. We had this thing at $7 grand already, boys. You better believe it. Does the mileage work?
I think so.
It's crazy. Everything works. Well, there you guys have it. There you guys have it. The $40 Phazer runs mint. Only had it about 4 days and she's running. So if you guys want to see more videos with it, any other sleds, let me know in the comments down below.